Good morning. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I want to share with you some items that I am loving at the moment. So I guess you could just call this a favorites video. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I make a lot of videos on luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, but mostly handbags. I love those a lot. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. But without any further ado, let's jump on into the favorites. My first favorite is actually this sweater right here. The sweater is from Totem and it's like such a nice sweater. I love it to pieces. It's alpaca and I have it tucked into like some black shorts at the moment, but I love this sweater. It's so nice. I got it about a month ago and I wear it all the time. One thing that I would just say, be careful if you wear like leggings a lot, because this thing does shed. So it just depends on the type of pants that you wear with it. Some pants like slacks and like satin pants or something that has a more like delicate fabric, the hair doesn't stick to it, but leggings, oh, my legs turn into actual cats or something. It's insane. Another sweater that I am obsessed with at the moment is my Balenciaga sweater. I got this sweater again about a month ago, nearing that, and I wear this sweater all the time. I don't wear it out as often as I would like to, just because, you know, I live in Tennessee and this is a walking advertisement. If I lived in somewhere else like New York or I don't know, Atlanta, just somewhere where fashion was more popular, I would wear this all the time. I am going to New York in June, so you must bet that I'm taking this with me. I hope I can wear it and I hope it's not too hot, but I don't think it's gonna be too hot in New York, but we shall see. Also, of course, I'm gonna have everything that I talk about today. My dog is playing with his bone, I'm so sorry. I will have everything that I talk about today listed in the description if you want to do a little shop. I do have some more expensive pieces like the Balenciaga, but I do have some more affordable pieces as well from like Amazon and stuff like that. So it's not all going to be super expensive. The next favorite I have on my list today is going to be actually a super new one to my collection, but I have just unboxed this bag. If you haven't seen the unboxing, it's the last video on the channel. I'll link it up here or up here, and it is my Mulberry Mini Alexa. This could be kind of cheating because I did just get this bag maybe like a week ago, but it has become my everyday bag. I carry this thing everywhere. I love this bag. It is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. Look at her. She's so pretty. She's stunning. She's amazing. I did order a bag organizer for her because she's so slouchy that everything just tends to fall over. And if you don't have this bag like packed to the brim, if you don't give this bag structure with the items that you put in it, everything is just gonna fall over because it actually holds a lot of stuff, believe it or not. It's crazy. So I have had that issue. If I don't stuff this bag, then a lot of my stuff just ends up toppling over and then it's hard to close the bag. I don't know, but other than that, I'm obsessed. It is the cutest little thing. You can wear it, you know, top handle just like this. You can wear it on your shoulder like this, or of course, wear it crossbody, which is how I normally wear it, or top handle. I like them both, but yeah, I love this bag and it is such a good purchase if you're looking for something that's even a little more casual. If you're looking for a bag that you can take every single day, even to work, I do think this is a great work bag. An everyday bag, then I would totally recommend this Mulberry Mini Alexa. Next thing I want to talk about is this little doodad right here. I got this from Amazon and this is a kitchen vacuum. This thing is so cute. Here's the brand name and then it comes in black or white. I got the black one, as you can see, and it's just this little contraption. It's got little dust feet on the bottom and there's like a little vacuum inside, and it's just so great. There's your filter. I need to dump this out, holy shit. And it has batteries, so this is where you take out the batteries. Sticking with kitchen items, I have brought you over here to the coffee station. This is my DeLonghi Dynamica Plus, and this is 1,000,000% a favorite for us. Me and my husband both use this thing like multiple times a day. We love it. I am someone that is obsessed with coffee, and he's from Italy, so he doesn't like American, you know, drip style coffee or anything like that. So he likes the good old espressos. So we got one of these, and we've had this for a while. We got this back in like late December, early January, and we have just been obsessed. We love this thing. No issues. It has this little thing for water, and then if you want to make a milk-based drink, it has this carafe right here that just switches out with the water spout, and you can make your milk drinks. But this baby right here is 1,000,000% worth it. I love this thing so much. My next favorite is actually something that is behind the camera right now, and it is my mini ring light. If I take this away, you're gonna see I lose a lot of the light. Look at that. But here she is. It's just a mini ring light, and I did get this from Amazon, and it's amazing. It just brightens up everything. I mean, it does what a ring light's supposed to do. But my husband, of course, has like really big ring lights. My husband also does YouTube, and his job is actually YouTube. But he uses, like, you know, these really big stand ring lights, which I used to use as well, but then I just was like, I gave him mine too so he would have extra light, and I got this really small one because I'm just filming in this area right here. I didn't really need a big one, so, and it does the job. It's really, really great. It has settings right here, as you can see, so you can turn it off, you can turn it back on, you can change the brightness. Ooh, of course I keep it on the brightest setting, and you can change the color as well. So you can make it cool light. Oh no, there's cool light, warm light, and then like a daytime light situation. Yeah, so this thing is great. I love it, and I don't think it was that expensive either. Maybe like 20 bucks on Amazon. Oh, bless you. Definitely worth it. Okay, next up I have some glasses right here. These are blue light glasses, and these are from Gentle Monster. I love these. I've talked about these multiple times before, but these are really, really nice glasses. They're very sturdy. Gentle Monster, I do believe, is a Korean brand, and they just collaborated with Jennie of Blackpink, so that's super cool. But yeah, these are really nice. I love how big these are. I got like the square, it's more of a square frame. Yeah, it's really, really nice. And then it has this gold detailing on the sides, super cool. I really like these glasses. I don't think I've ever had a pair of blue light glasses that have been so sturdy. The rest of my blue light glasses do have like a tendency to, like, I don't know, break. They're not like they're not the best quality glasses, but these ones really are, and I really love these. Gentle Monster makes blue light glasses, they make sunglasses, so you have definitely a large array of options depending on what you like. So I would highly recommend these, and these work very nicely for me. I put these on when my eyes are feeling stressed or tired, because I do look at a computer a lot with my job and then editing these videos. So I'm near the computer like all day. I really love these, and they really do help my eyes. Next up is actually kind of like an old purchase. It's pretty old, but it's still a favorite, and I like it. I really rediscovered it over the past week, and these leggings used to be really viral on TikTok, like super viral. And of course, when they were viral, I bought them, and they're from Amazon, I think. I swear all the viral stuff just happens on Amazon. But yeah, as you can see, they have this kind of pattern, like a honeycomb style pattern, if you will, and it really just kind of lifts your booty, and it has like this scrunching situation in the back here. Can you see that? Yeah, it's got like a scrunching thing, so it kind of like gets in between your butt, and it just kind of lifts it and makes it nice. I don't know, I have rediscovered these over the past week or 2 weeks, and I've been wearing them a lot, and I like them. I think they make your legs look nice and toned, even if they're not nice and toned like mine. Yeah, I think they give your legs a nice shape, and I really like them. And of course, I don't think they're very expensive. I think they were like 20 bucks. So if you are into that, I know this is a very old viral item, but I rediscovered it, and now I love it again. And my last favorite today, you guys, are going to be my sneakers. These ones right here are Tory Burch sneakers, and these ones right here are Celine sneakers. I have a love for both of these for different reasons. The Tory Burch sneakers are going to be, of course, a lot cheaper. These were, I think, $248. Definitely a more luxury price point for sneakers, but honestly, I feel like good sneakers are usually around that anyways. You have like your Nike sneakers that are usually around $100 to $200. These ones right here are Tory Burch, and they are around that same price as well, maybe a little more, but these are going to be your cheaper option, but they're still so great. I wear these ones if I'm just popping out to the store, and I just wear these when I'm just going to run some errands, grocery shopping. I'll wear these if I'm going for a walk. Not if it's rainy or muddy outside, obviously, because they still are expensive, but I think these run very small because I'm normally like an 8 in shoes, like an 8/38 in European sizes, like an 8.5, around that. And I tried these on in an 8 and they were way too small. I tried these on in an 8.5 and they were still way too small. Like my toes were like smacking up against this bit right here, and it was very uncomfortable. These are a 9. I had to go all the way up to a 9 in order to get these to feel really nice. So these do run small. So if you're liking these, then I would totally recommend sizing up, but still super freaking comfy. And if you are, you know, running errands or going grocery shopping or anything like that, or going to the mall, great option. I have worn those shoes for long distances and they never hurt my feet, and there was no like breaking in point or anything like that. They just felt great right out of the box. And my other shoes are my Celine sneakers. These ones are so good. These ones were relatively definitely expensive. Not relatively, these were around $900, and yeah, that's a ton for sneakers, and I totally understand that, but I really like them, and they're such good quality that these are going to last such a long time. As you can see, it has this Celine little Velcro strap right here. It's got ties. These are high tops as well, and the Tory Burch ones were just regular ones. I love these for when I want to feel fancy, I guess. The Tory Burch ones I would wear every day, but these ones are the ones that I would wear if I know that I'm going somewhere like nice, if I know that I'm going somewhere more fancy, or if I'm going to like a more fancy part of town or something like that. These are the ones that I would wear when I want people to know that I'm wearing Celine sneakers. And the thing is though, is that I guarantee you most people don't even notice. Like, unless you were just really looking at it, if you know, you know. But I feel like most people aren't going to know, but I know, you know? I don't know. But they're also just really great sneakers, and I love them a lot, and I wear them a lot as well. They're, again, very comfortable. Those ones are very true to size, I believe. I got them in a 38. First ones that I tried on at Nordstrom, and they were perfect, no issues whatsoever. So I do think that the Celine ones are true to size. The Tory Burch ones definitely size up. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all of my favorites. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. Please let me know in the comments what some of your favorites have been, because I would just love to know that. But again, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!